Using the ECG monitoring device by Shan oversees a state-of-the-art solution for accurate and reliable heart health monitoring. Designed for both medical professionals and individuals, this advanced device provides precise electrocardiogram readings with ease. Whether you are managing a chronic condition or just keeping an eye on your heart health, the Oversee ECG monitoring device is your trusted partner in cardiovascular care. Specifications: measurement channels, 12 LED ECG monitoring. Display: high-resolution color LCD screen. Recording time: continuous recording up to 24 hours. Sampling rate: 1000 samples per second per channel. Frequency response: 0.05, 150 Hz. Sensitivity: adjustable from 2.5 mm per MV to 20 mm per MV. Connectivity: USB and Bluetooth for data transfer. Power supply: rechargeable lithium-ion battery with up to 8 hours of operation. Memory capacity: internal storage for up to 10,000 ECG records. Data management: compatible with PC software for detailed analysis and reporting. Alarm system: visual and audio alarms for abnormal readings. Portability: lightweight and compact design, suitable for both stationary and ambulatory use. Accessories: includes ECG electrodes, cables, and carrying case. Warranty: 2-year manufacturer's warranty. With its comprehensive features and user-friendly design, the Overseas ECG monitoring device ensures you have the tools necessary for effective heart health management, offering precision and peace of mind with every use.